Hello traders. So I got a lot of messages where some of my subscribers said they can't add the indicator, the special indicator created by AFTechTrades for them. So that they when they come to indicators, they can't find it. So I said, okay, the only way to get it and easiest way to get it is for you to go to our Telegram channel first. That's the first step you take. Go to our Telegram channel. I'll drop the link to our Telegram channel at the description of this video or the comment section of this video. So you click on the link to take it to our Telegram channel. Subscribe to our Telegram channel. So once you subscribe to our Telegram channel, we'll be able to see our pinned messages. So on that pinned messages, you will see the link to these indicators, the two indicators. You see the link there. So once you click on the link, it should take you to this interface directly. The advanced range detector or the AFTechTrades muted Heiken Heinze candles. So what you do is that immediately it takes you here. This is what you see first. So you come to this place that said add to favorite. You can do this using your phone or your desktop, right? You come to this place, add to favorite. Once you add it to favorite, the two indicators, then you come back to your trading view. Once you come back to your trading view, come to indicators and now click on favorite. You click on favorite, you see it appear on your favorite. Why you won't see this on the search bar is because I made it a secret indicator just because I want to make it for only my subscribers. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly hit that subscribe button because we are going to do another indicator like I told you, and a trading bot, and we're giving all this for free to our subscribers. So if you're yet to subscribe, kindly hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video so that others will benefit. So see you in our next video. Bye-bye.